Hello guys, today in this video I'll be talking about DeFi. The first website that I'm going to be showing you is cryptolabsresearch.com. All of the links are going to be in the description of the video. So Cryptolabs is a crypto and blockchain research and investment company. On this website you can learn about investments, passive income, and education. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the team of this site. So Lucas Rubix is the founder and CEO of this website. The second website that I'm going to be showing you is miningweb.io. It's a decentralized finance liquidity pool. There you can buy packages, bronze package, silver, gold, and diamond package. So if you click on About Us and scroll down a little, there you can see that there's 3,000 users, 13,000 miners created. Total paid out is $600,000, and there is 6,000 graphics card using. Now I'm going to log in, and if you don't have an account, just click on sign up and go back into this page and click on login. And as you can see, this is how the mining works on this website. If you go to settings, make sure that you put your Ethereum wallet address here so you can get money sent to your wallets. And now I'm going to buy a miner to show you. You need to click on hire 1 BNB miners. So each miner costs 0.011 Ethereum, which is $23. Click on there. And now you need to connect to your wallet that you're using. I'm using a Trust wallet, so I'll be connecting with that one. And as you can see, the miner has been bought. Now I have 3 miners. And for the last website that I'm going to show you, it's called decentralfree.org. This website has, if you scroll down, this website has commissions, token funded, microtasks, utility, and multi-chain. Down there, if you scroll a little bit more, there is Frela staking. So for the 5 days stacking, it holds your tokens for just 5 days and you get 10% bonus. For the 15 days stacking, it extends your commitment to 15 days and you get 25% bonus. And for the 30 days staking, for the most dedicated investors, a 30-day stake will get you an incredible 110% bonus. And that's about it, guys. I show you something about these 3 sites. You can check them yourself and see more things. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.